Hello everyone, good morning to you all. This is Arpita Pandey as a teacher of Sunbeam Convent School, Buxa. My dear students, today I am present here with your new book. So today I am going to teach you first chapter from your new book. So all the students of standard 6, just I am instructing you all that you please be on your channel because now I have got your new book and we are going to start the first chapter, the food. What the topic is food. Yes students, you must have seen my old video that was just for your basic knowledge. That was only for your basic knowledge. So because of not being booked we are late. So let's start the first chapter, and the first chapter is food. So the first point is given here, what need of food. It means why food is need for our body, why food is important, and what are the need of food in our body. So let's start. Food is one of the essential things required by all living things to life. The need for growth and development. Without food, a living organism will stop growing. The cells in our body multiply after getting nourishment from the food we eat. The chemical substance present in the food which are essential for the body are called nutrients. So what is the meaning of this? What is the need of food? At first we should know that what is food. Food means what? Food gives us energy to do various type of work. As we know that food is one of the most and important part of our life, and without food our life is not possible and we can't do any type of work. It means we all human beings, we all animals, we are totally dependent on what? We totally dependent on food for energy, because we know that food gives us energy to do various type of work. So our body cannot develop. It means our cells in our body also cannot develop due to if there is scarcity of food in our body. So food is very important in our life, and without food our life is not possible. And food gives us energy to do various type of work that also help us to develop. And what just you can see here that the chemical substance present in the food which are essential for the body are called nutrients. It means from where we get nutrients? We get nutrients only from the food. So it's clear food is one of the most and important part of our life, and without food our life is not possible. And food also help us to repair our body, and different type of work only we can do due to the food. So now next, what is the function of the food? What are the function of food? So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 function it is given. It provide energy to do work and play. If you play, if you are doing any type of work, if you are playing, if you are doing exercise, it means if you are doing any type of work, how you are able to do any type of work? Only due to the food. So the first function of food is what? It provides us energy to do work and play. The second point is what? It helps in growth and development of the body. It means without food your body cannot, your body can't develop. So food also helps in growth and development of your body, and it helps to repair or damage of any part of the body. It means if your body is damaged, so food also helps to repair your damaged part of your body. And as we know that in our body there are different types of disease, so it protects the body from the disease. And the last one is what? It helps to keep the body warm. So these all are the function of the food. So what are the 5 function of the food? So first function is what? It gives us energy to do various type of work. It means only we are able to play due to the food. And the second point is it also helps to growth, development of the body, and it also repair damaged of any part of the body. And the last one is what? It helps to keep the body warm. So these all are the 5 function of the food. So now just you can see there are different picture: South Indian food, North Indian food, snacks, and the fruits and vegetables. So these all are the pictures of the different types of food. Now the next point, come to the next point. So sources of food. What are the sources? Sources means what? From where we get food. What are the main sources of food? So the first sources is what? From plant, and the second from where? Animals. So what are the different sources of food? As we know that we all human beings get food from the 2 sources: food from plant, food from animal, and there are also different sources. So first start the food from the plant. How we can get? Animals including human beings get their food either from plants or from other small animals. It is clear that our sources of food are the plants and animals. So what are the main sources of food? It means what? the two sources of food are food from plant and food from animal. So food from plant means what? Green plants are called producer because they make their own food using sunlight, air, nutrients and water. So the first sources is what? Food from plant. What are the sources of food? Food from plant and food from animal. So the first sources is food from plant. So who are called producer? It means the green plants which are able to what prepare their foods, they produce their own foods, that are called producer. And we know that we get food from the plant. And so what are the parts? Major part of our food comes from crops plant. These all are the example: rice, wheat, maize, and these all are the example of it. Means the first sources is food from plant. What are the second sources? Now food from what? Different. The first point is food from plant. So what are the different part of plant by which we get different type of food? So let's start the different part of plant. So first we get part of plant as a food. What part of plant? Part of plant as a food. It means root, stem. These all are the part of a plant, and we also get food from this part. Root, stem, flower, fruit, leaves. How we get in some plants the extra food is stored in root. These root are eaten as food, for example radish, carrot, turnip and beetroot. So these all are the example of your root. It means we get this type of food from the root. And stem, what are the example of stem? So potato, sugarcane, ginger, these all are the example of stem. And there are also different type of, these all are the parts of plant. What? Root, stem, leaves, these all are the parts of plant. It means what are the sources? There are two sources. Parts of what are the two sources? So food from plant, just you can see food from plant. So food from plant means what are the different part? The different part are what? Root, stem, flower, leaves. So the first part is what? Root, second one is stem, and the flowers, leaves, fruits, seeds, pulses. There are different types of. Okay students, now the next of the topic we will discuss in the next video. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Take care.